Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will take a look at how to hide your likes on Twitter or how to hide your liked tweets on X. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now let's just go ahead and open up the X app or the Twitter app. Go ahead and click on this and we should be able to see our current feed right here. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be opening up our settings by swiping on to the left side right here. And then we should be able to see this settings and privacy section. So go ahead and click on this. And now we're going to be scrolling down until we can go ahead and see privacy and safety. So go ahead and click on this. And then we're going to go up here where we can see audience and tagging. So this, we're able to manage what information others will be able to see in terms of our activity. And then it's going to be this option, protecting your post. So what we need to do is we need to go ahead and toggle this on. So what this does is it allows those who are not following us to not see the things that we are liking. That would mean that we can go ahead and hide our likes on Twitter or on X. But do bear in mind that other people will still be able to see your liked posts if you are following one another on Twitter. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.